Hello again. Last read aloud for April 13th to the 17th. This is the poem for the April 16th and 17th assignment. I will read it aloud to you now. So the instructions say, read the poem, then answer the questions. This poem is called From the Wave by Tom Gunn. It mounts at sea a concave wall, down ribbed with shine, and pushes forward, building tall its steep incline. Then from their hiding rise in sight black shapes on boards bearing before the fringes of white it models towards. Their pale feet curled, they poise their weight. With a learned skill, it is the wave they imitate, keeps them so still. The marbling bodies have become half wave, half men, grafted it seems by feet of foam some seconds then. Late as they can, they slice the face in timed procession. Balance is triumph in this place, triumph possession. The mindless heave of which they rode, a fluid shelf, breaks as they leave it, falls and slowed, loses itself. Clear the sheathed bodies, slick as sealed, loosen and tingle, and by the board the bare foot feels the suck of shingle. They paddle in the shallow still to splash each other. They all swim out to wait until the right waves gather. So this is a poem about a wave in an ocean. We see it rise and then fall again. Talks about different things it sees and kind of how the wave rises and moves. Quick thing, this line is part of this stanza. It just wasn't, it was too long to fit on one page. So just, there's gonna be questions later about different stanzas. So just make sure you understand that the suck of shingle is part of this longer stanza. Um, we have almost all multiple choice questions here. There is one question here at the end where, like I just said, the poem, we see the wave rise and fall throughout the poem. So now you're just going to write down either which stanzas or which lines of the poem describe each moment in the wave. So when the wave begins to rise, when it's at its highest and strongest, and when it's fading away. So find the right stanzas or the right lines to fill in this box for where they should go. That is the end of your work for this week. There is the weekly reading tracker. So make sure you do keep up with that. But that is all. Thank you so much, 7th grade. I miss you guys.